Guys, my baby is having hiccups, and I want to share you a little hack that I do. So we have her milk. I just warm it up. I warm it up to be not warm, not hot, a little hotter than warm, but make sure it's not too hot and unbearable. You can test it on your palm so that you confirm that it's not too hot. If it was too hot, she will definitely not take it. But you can see she's taking it. So, maybe it's gone. So you don't need to give them water. Guys, let me show you. Okay, forget the fact that this thing is warm or is hot. Let me show you something. You can see her forehead. She's sweating, right? Look, the AC is on and she's still sweating. If for her not to sweat when she's eating, the AC and the fan has to be on, else she's definitely going to sweat. But right now, since I can't reach that fan, I would have to use her hand fan, which is not charged. But thankfully, her power bank is right here because she's sweating and it causes heat rash. I don't put it directly on her face. I try to just put it towards her, but not directly on her face. Oh, baby. Looks like it's okay because she was actually wasn't hungry. She ate about 30 minutes ago. So I just knew she wasn't going to take much. That's why I really put little for her. Say hi. You want more? She's not taking it. She doesn't want more. So guys, I hope this helped. This is actually helpful. So see you guys in another video. Bye.